fraction. You have evaluate root 2 whole number 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 square on the board. Now, how do we attend to this question? Very simple. When you see something like that, you don't need to stress or panic. Just smile at the question, then you trash it. Now, let's do this on the board. Now, you have root 2 whole number 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 square. In the bracket, then you have all square. Now, how do we attend to this? First of all, we need to dismantle this root you're seeing here. Let's break it down. In breaking it down, you change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. This mixed fraction should be changed to improper fraction in the same root. You have your root. How do we change it? The denominator will multiply the whole number. Then after that, you add the numerator. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus this 9. 9 over 4. See it? Plus, now look at this. This square you're seeing here will affect both the numerator and the denominator. So it means 1 raised to the power of 2 will give us 1, which is 1 times 1 is 1. Yeah, then over this 2 will also affect this, as this will affect this. This means 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 2 times 2, 4. So you have your 4 here. So what should you do? Now we need to remove this square root from this and this. This square root you're seeing here is affecting the 9 and the 4. So square root of 9 is 3 over square root of 4 is 2. And you have plus 1 over 4. Now this comes to this. Now how do we solve this? We look for the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 4. We can solve it to the LCM of 2 and 4. Now you might be asking, how do we get the LCM of 2 and 4? Very simple. Here we'll bring out our 2, then you bring down the 4. You divide it. You see, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. 1 can go again, 2 can go. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 1. So the LCM is 2 times 2, which is 4. The LCM. So what should you do? Now let's divide. You say your 4 into 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus your 4 into 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Seen it? Now what should be the next thing? You have 6 plus 1 will give us 7 over 4. Now this is an improper fraction. You don't leave your answer in improper fraction. We change it to a mixed number, or you can leave it at decimal. But let's change this to mixed number. How do we change it? The same thing you do. Now you use a denominator now to divide. The denominator comes out, then you divide with the 7. See it down. Now it will be, how many times can 4 go into 7? See it? 4 will go into 7 in one place, which is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. You subtract. 7 minus 4 will give us 3. You see it now? Now this, which is the quotient, this is called the quotient, will become a whole number. You see it now? Then you have your remainder here. This remainder you're having here will become a numerator over the dividend you're seeing here will become the 4. So our answer is 1 whole number 3 over 4. Thank you.